Hello everyone, my name is Donna Ledesma. I'm the writer of Poems to Remember. You can find me on lulu.com, just type in my name, Donna C. Ledesma, or you can Google Donna C. Ledesma and you can find all of my work online. I just felt like I needed to make this video to encourage people, because I know that when there are problems in life, and not so much with disabilities and all, but just problems in particular, just want you to know that sometimes you have to fight for what you want. You have to work for what you want. You have to not give in to those inner fears or the people that say, well, you can't do this because you're ill or there's something going on and I don't think you can do it. I don't think that you need to listen to that negative thought process, because had I listened, I would still be ticking and tisking and moving. I'd still be probably in a mental institute by now, because I did have a psychotic break. But I want you to know that if I can do it, if I can get to where I am now, where before I couldn't walk, I couldn't talk, I couldn't do any of the things that I love to do. I couldn't dance really because I was ticking so bad, to now. And now I'm a writer, I'm a blogger, I post advertisements. I'm doing a lot for myself, and I'm not sitting in the dark somewhere wishing and dreaming. I believe in, yes, you should fulfill your dreams, you should dream about something, but I believe that you should also go after it, and you have to make it happen. You can't wait for it to happen. You can't wait for it to come to you. You have to take those first steps to make it come to life. Like I started painting. Who would have thought that from painting I'd be posting them on products and selling them online? Who would have thought that? And I'm just here to tell you that if you dream it, then you need to live it, and you need to believe it. Believe that you are capable of doing anything and everything. Everybody has a gift, and I've always said this. Everybody has a God-given gift, something that you're just extremely good at, and it makes you happy. It doesn't make you sad. You don't feel like, oh man, I gotta do that again. No, this is something that you just love to do, whether it's painting, whether it's taking care of someone, whether it's accounting, whether it's in advertising, whether it's counseling people. But whatever that is, it's a God-given gift. Not everybody can do those things. If you're an artist, well, God bless you for it. Go out there and dream big and make your art known to the world. Start your own website. And there's so many ways of promoting your products nowadays, for free with social networks. Like I have at least 5 different social networks. Everything is linked together, so if I post on one, it posts on all of them. Now what I've done is now I have 3 that I pull up, and then it posts on all the rest, and I don't have to worry about that anymore, and that helps a lot. So for those of you who have a dream and maybe you want to start a business, and you want to promote your products, I say start a Facebook page with a like page, start a Gmail account for just specifically that idea. And also you can order your business cards through Vistaprint, which I did the first time. I've used them several times actually, and they're inexpensive and they're really good products. And then you can, if you have a really great idea and you want the world to know, I suggest looking up a .com. GoDaddy.com is one of those where you can sign up for, like, I think $5.99 a month for a .com. And there's also other websites where you can sign up and build your own website. They have all the tools. You just put your pictures up, and those are things you can do. Or you can do what I did. I blog. So every time I start a blog, I work with 2 affiliate companies, and those affiliate companies send me over 100 advertisers. And those advertisers I promote in my blogs. I just post their banners, their text links. And what I've discovered is if you put text links in all of your blogs, your traffic will increase, and you have a better chance of getting people to buy the products. Because when they click on one of the banners and they click on an advertisement, you get paid commission, and each one is different. Like, I promote for Office Depot, I promote for Starbucks, I promote for GoDaddy, I promote for a lot of companies. But like I said, it's 2 different affiliate links. And so if you go to my website, a writer's page has one of the links on it. It's called LinkShare, and the other one that I use is Commission Junction. So just food for thought. If you're interested in working or promoting your art, or or starting a business online, and you don't have a whole lot of money, that's the best way to go. But most of all, whatever you do, don't give in, don't give up, don't don't let negativity rule you or rule your world. You have something in you, and it's ready to blossom, and you just need to let that happen. But the first thing you have to do, walk out that door, go get your business registered, get a business name, and then start looking around for a location, or start looking online for a way to promote it, and get going. But whatever you do, don't give in to depression, don't give in to negativity, don't give in to disabilities. We all have some sort of disability, but I'm proof that you can rise above it, and you can beat depression or disability. You just have to want it. So keep plugging at it. God bless you, everybody. I just wanted to say that. I feel like I need to say that. Take care.